Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
Buff. Papa, bro. Come on, bro. Don't act like I'm a fucking fool, bro. I know the basics, bro. I know the basics, bro. Bro, I know the basics. Come on now, bro. Guys, this is what I fucking wear as a fucking seatbelt, bro. Guys, tell me a fucking real man who wears this as a seatbelt, bro. I wear this as a seatbelt. I wear a fucking ribbon as a seatbelt, dude. Hey, come. Come.
No.
I want to show you some MMA.
No.
No, come on, no, please. Alright. Let's say we're friends, right?
No, you're gonna hit me.
I'm not, I swear to God, I'm not, okay? Alright, go ahead. So put your phone down. Alright. Come on, man. Alright. So we're like this, right? How you gonna fight someone? Alright.
I know, I'm not a fighter, so...
Let's say you're a boxer, right? I'll go like this. Up. Bah! I'll grab you from downstairs. I'm fucking throw you down. Look at this, look. I'll grab you from downstairs, bro. Come on now. I just said some blowjobs now. No blowjobs?
No.
Fuck. So what do I deserve? Nothing. You gonna deny me?
Hmm?
You gonna deny me?
Deny you what?
You can't suck my dick? Yes or no? No? Alright. Well, fuck. Well, you better look away back home right now. Take the bus. Take the bus back home.
No bus.
Oh, you better find a way back home. You mean like find the fucking walk route?
No,
Take the shortcuts. You mean walk over there? Huh?
You promised me to give me a ride back.
Me?
Yes.
Oh, I lied. I have to find a way back home. I mean, you could start right now. It's still early.
It's far.
Huh?
It's 40 minutes to come over here and drive. Imagine walking.
2 hours, 3 hours?
For 4 hours.
Oh, you could do it. It's 4 hours and it'd be like still midnight.
No.
You could do it.
No.
Yes, you can.
I need a ride.
What's stopping you?
What do you mean? It's far.
You can still do it. It's gonna be midnight once you get home.
No. Can you order me an Uber right now, please?
I'm gonna order you an Uber right now.
Yes.
I was just kidding.
I told you I don't like to play like that. I was so excited to come and see you.
Me too.
And you just killed the whole mood. I don't even feel like it.